everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 834 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. So this is the product that I chose for my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I love brow products. I love the brand Wander Beauty, so I'm really excited about this. I will, of course, have my unboxing video of my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box linked in the description down below if you want to see that. But so this is the full-size product. It retails for $22. And right now I don't have any brow product on, but I figured I could try this alone and with a brow pencil to see how it really is. I definitely use a brow pencil every day, honestly. So that's probably going to be my preferred method of using this on top of a brow pencil, but I'm very curious how this is alone. But ooh, this applicator. This looks nice and small, and I like that it has the tapered shape, because something that is so difficult is when the brush for the brow gel is too big or doesn't get all the brow hairs, but this looks great. And I like that this is supposed to be a flexible hold. It's not supposed to be a crunchy brow gel, which is good because I don't like the crunchy brow gels. And it's infused with essential oils to moisturize and nourish the brow hairs so that they can grow thicker and stronger with continued use. So I love that this is also like a brow serum. So why don't I go ahead and start applying it to one of my brows. Ooh. Either I don't have much on the brush or it's a very light product. Like it's not like a thick gel at all. I can barely tell if I'm applying any. But that's good. It's not chunky and it's definitely not visible or noticeable at all in the brow. It doesn't really have a shiny texture or anything. Yeah, like you can't even see a difference between the brow. I'm trying to apply a lot of it, but okay. I'll let that dry and I'll go ahead and fill in my other brow. But that's crazy. It does not look like there is any product in my brow whatsoever. But so I'm just using my Mastori brow pencil. I have talked about this so many times. I love this brow pencil. I did a full dedicated review video on this brow pencil, which I can have linked down below if you want to see that. I got it from Amazon. But yeah, I would definitely need to fill in my brows when using this brow gel because, like I said, it did nothing, or at least it looks like it did nothing. So I like to have filled in, more precisely shaped brows. See such a difference. All right, so let's see. Ooh, it does have great hold and it doesn't feel crunchy at all. Oh, I'm very impressed by that. The fact that it looks like there's no product whatsoever, but then it's actually really holding the brows in place. That's exactly what I would want. And I have long brow hairs that can get so unruly and look terrible if I don't use a brow gel. So this is exactly what I want. I need good hold, but that's not gonna be crunchy or flake off. So let's see how it does on top of a brow pencil. Yeah, still, it just looks like nothing. It looks like I'm just brushing through my brow with a spoolie. It's not changing how the brow pencil looks. It's not lifting any of the brow pencil or removing any of it. So that's awesome. And what's really cool too is it doesn't feel like there's even a product on my brow. It's not like sometimes I'll use a crunchy brow gel and I can just like feel it on my brow. This feels like nothing. It's super lightweight, comfortable, flexible, and awesome. It's a a really great clear brow gel. I would say it's perfect. It does exactly what I want. I had been on the search for a new clear brow gel that I like, because the ones that I had tried out before were crunchy or didn't look great in the brow, which is kind of surprising. Like, how can a clear brow gel not look great? But they can. And I loved the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, but I went through a couple of those pretty quickly. So this is definitely going to be my new daily brow gel. I'm so happy with it. I love the hold. Let's do another test. Yeah, I love how it's flexible. There's absolutely no crunching or flaking, so it's great. Oh, and also it's gonna be nourishing my brow hairs and helping them grow, so love that as well. So this is just another Wander Beauty product that I can say I really like. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite brow gels. Maybe I can get some recommendations of some other good ones to try, because I'm still on the search for brow products and brow gels. I love trying out brow products. I don't know why, it's just like one of my favorite makeup techniques to do is fill in my brows. And I know right now I look really crazy because I only have one brow on. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.